Alright, you on camera.
Woohoo! Richmond good for something. Do my other line too.
Is it? Yeah. Which one?
On the top of it.
On the upside of it? Okay.
I think it's a little.
Well, you got a log on there? You ain't got no fish, are you?
I believe it's a fish.
He might go about 5 pounds. What's that? What's that noise? Are you making that noise with your mouth?
Woohoo! Come on, baby doll.
He ain't doing nothing when it.
Give me the fighting belt. I ain't gaining on it. I don't think he's quite done yet. What's your guess? 20?
26. Hopefully he's twice that, but we'll see. He looks pretty dang on heavy. He definitely don't want to come up, does he?
He ain't what I would call. Look at that rod, man. He ain't what I would call ready. Bill Nance talking this technique.
You put a little Mark Sosin side pressure on there, huh?
Can you reel soft?
You getting tired? What did you tell me on that sailfish? You need me to reel him in for you?
Woo!
You gonna reel him in or just kinda?
What do you got, like 5 pound test on here?
Yeah, we're going for the new 2 pound record.
Look at this.
Whoo, there you go. Nice fish, baby.
That ain't no
Nice little pussy cat. See if I can videotape getting them.
Good luck with that.
Woo. Alright, let's do this. Sorry, it's waterproof, baby. Yep.
Unless you think I can tighten the drag a little bit.
Yeah, baby.
I'm sure you wish you would.
Oh, look, it's my camera, though. That's going to be a good video. The damn camera's down in his mouth. Woo! What do you think of that footage? There we go. There he is.